Happy Saturday. I am did I mute myself again? Oh no. Okay. I am doing a pre-record prior to um the elite group meeting up and just wanted to come through and just kind of analyze um GJ for the week. As we can see last week it was price was bullish and did not take out the previous week high. So I am anticipating price to push up and then pull back down to push up and take out the high and then pull back down to, and I'm just going to mark this up. This is the weekly demand. I'm just going to leave that there and then I'm going to go to the daily. So based on market structure, um, based on market structure, we had this break here, and then we had a break up here. So now that structure, this was daily, this was a break of structure, and then this was the change of character or the market structure shift. Okay, so now I'm expecting price to come take out this high. These are some pretty much equal highs. This has already been taken out, but um, there is a, let's see, 4 hour. There is a, I think this one has already been, oh no, it hasn't been tapped into. Okay. This is a 4 hour supply zone that price may come up to. If that happens, and let me just go out, let me narrow it down on the 1 hour. And this is how I narrow down my supply zone. And I'm just going to mark up these two here. There's also a zone there, but actually, I'm going to keep it on the 4 hour supply zone, which is here. Okay. And I am going to set an alert at the 4 hour supply zone. And based on the 4 hour time frame, because I said price should come up here and take out this high, correct? So I am going to, um, this is looking like, let me zoom in. You have a demand zone here. And the dog is barking. You have a demand zone here, so price could pull back and push back up into this zone to take out this high, or price is going to continue up, take out this high, and pull back to either continue buying up to the zone or price will um, break, make a market structure shift, and then start selling back down to this zone here. So, with that being said, I am always saying buy until you can't buy anymore. So, I would be looking for price to pull back here. Now that's 60 pips. So, I'm going to go down to the 1 hour, see if I can narrow that down. Okay. So, I'm just going to put I'm just going to put the there. And instead of, wait a minute, let me go back to the 1 hour. That has gone to from 60 something pips to 46 pip stop loss. And if I go to the 15-minute, and all I'm doing is narrowing down my, um, this has already been mitigated. I'm just narrowing down to my institutional candle or the last down candle before this up move. Okay, so now that I have narrowed that down, we're gonna drag our entry here. And you can either, it's moving slow. I would put my stop loss below this low instead of this low, but if you are confident, and then that narrows it down to about 30 pips. Okay, so what I'm going to do is set my alert. I like to set the alert a little. I'm going to use the top of this wick here as my alert. So basically, you have your swing low here. You have your breakup structure here. And you have your swing high here. Oops. So with that being said, with that being said, um, and then I'm also going to put an alert at this high, because if price breaks above, then I will change my structure. So this is currently structure. This is currently my structure here. Um, and so I'm waiting for price to pull back to buy or break above or start breaking structure to then sell back down to here. And that is my thought for GJ for this week.